The Khasi Students' Union Maukarwat Circle today appealed to the youth, especially the unemployed educated youth, to take advantage of the Industrial Training Institute ITI Maukarwat by applying for the trainings at the institute that was inaugurated recently. The ITI Maukarwat will start inviting applications from July 2024 and classes will start in September 2024.
Simply ka Industrial Training Institute jong ka Southwest Kasil District apo kasilong sakwang na kaliang jong kasay kala iyo ban budin ya kani kakam dan haka jing budin jong kasay iyo ban ya kendu ya i Director of Employment and Craftsman Training kasilong bat haka jing kendu bat i na kaliang jong iru ilakular ba ya kani ke institute insapli insapkot application no radu ugnay Julai tahun buat ya kelas ni ya kajing pertuit kajing hikai akan nih institut kin sedang no du bunai September buat kikus ya mentahi kin sedang santeli